Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told to guess the value of the limit, where we have the limit as x approaches infinity of x squared over 2 to the x, by evaluating the function f of x is equal to x squared over 2 to the x, for x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on for all of these values. We're then going to use a graph of f to support the guess. So the annoying part about this problem is we basically have to evaluate the same function, doing basic algebra, over and over again for all of these values. So there's quicker ways to do this on your computer, or you can just manually input it into your calculator. So we have x and f of x. We have x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 50, and 100. And the values that we're going to get out for f of x, again, you can just plug this into your calculator. Doing some rounding, we have 0, we have 0.5, we have 1, 1.1, 1 again, 0.78, 0.56, 0.38, 0.25, 0.16, 0.10, 0.01, and then it gets very, very small very, very quickly. We have 0.0003, 2 times 10 to the negative 12, and 7 times 10 to the negative 27. Sort of ran out of room there. But basically, these are all of our values. It looks like I've written one too many in. That is because it jumps directly from 0.16 to 0.01. And basically we can see the values get larger for a bit, but then they get smaller and smaller, and they really do go off to 0, getting very, very small by the time we get to x is equal to 100, for example. So we can guess that the value of this limit is equal to 0. This is sort of the actual bulk of this problem, and then we're asked to use a graph of this function to support your guess. You can pull this up on a computer or a calculator. I will pull it up right here. If we turn off this light so you can see the screen, we can see that just as we saw, the value of the function gets larger for a little bit, and then it goes off to 0. And in case you're curious, this right here is the code which I use to get the values of the function very quickly, in case you would need that. Otherwise, of course, you can just plug this into a calculator and get the results.